Hi, and I'm so excited that you're considering using essential oils as part of your natural, healthy lifestyle. I know how much they've helped me and my family. I'm really excited to support you on this journey. So, where to start? What are the right oils for you to begin with? Hopefully you've attended my online webinar and so you've become a little familiar about why doTERRA are different, the ways in which you can use your oils, and had a little bit of exposure to the different blends and the different single oils that doTERRA produces. If you'd like to receive a recording of my online webinar, or you want to attend the next one, just shoot me an email or sign up on the website and we can make sure that you're there and you've got the information to hand. So, to put it down into just very simple messaging, the Home Essentials Kit, I would say, is where I started. It's the top 10 essential oils plus a diffuser. It's for those who, the oils speak to them and they're really encouraged and ready and wanting to use essential oils as part of their natural lifestyle. Maybe you have kids as well and you're keen to move away from synthetics and you'd like to try some of the oil recipes for them. And so yeah, this is a kit that's for you if you're ready to get going. It's £243, and all of the kits are available just on my store. If you go to the store services tab, and you'll find the kits available there. So that's the Home Essentials Kit. That's the top 10 essential oils, which is lavender, lemon, peppermint, tea tree, oregano, frankincense, and then 4 blends: the respiratory blend, the digestive blend, the immune boosting blend, and the soothing blend. But if you're kind of feeling like you want to dip your toe in first and you're not really sure if essential oils are your love language, then I recommend starting with the family essentials. And these are the same 10 oils, but just in smaller bottles. So the Home Essentials Kit is 15 ml bottles, which contains 250 drops of oil. The Family Essentials is the same 10 oils, but in smaller 5 ml bottles, which contains roughly 76 drops of oil. So this is more of a dip your toe, see if I'm going to use them, see if I enjoy the experience of the smell and using them the 3 different ways that you can use them. I have found that the feedback from many people has been that they ran out of their oils very quickly when they started with the Family Essentials, but it's definitely a safer bet if you're unsure about whether you're ready to dive in. And the Family Essentials is £126. And then a third option is the Cleanse and Restore Kit, and if you hop over to my Cleanse and Restore Detox program, you'll hear more about that kit. That's a supplement-based kit, including a lemon essential oil, but many of the blends of supplements are made with or combined with essential oils. And this is more of a detox program, and you'll find more about that over on the Cleanse and Restore page. And then lastly, another kit which is really beautiful. If you're not looking so much to use the oils for physical purposes such as headaches or digestive problems or problems with sleeping or earaches or head lice or that sort of thing, if you're looking more on an emotional, perhaps rebalancing, perhaps just really enjoying using the scent of the oils, which of course are going to affect your brain as you breathe them in. They're affecting the olfactory nerve, which is affecting the limbic system, which is how we think and feel. And so if you're looking more along those lines, then a really wonderful kit that contains 6 blends of oils is called the Essential Aromatics Kit. And the 6 blends contained in this kit are Forgive, which is wonderful if you've got any heaviness in your heart that you need to let go of. Peace, which is a really beautiful bedtime blend, really gets you into a beautiful deep sleep. Motivate, which is fantastic oil if you need to get some work done or to study or to focus on something, or you just are avoiding doing a task that you've been putting off. Then we also have Passion. This is the inspiring blend. This helps us to live our life on purpose and be our best. And then finally, we've got Console, which is the comforting blend. This is a blend that I love to use at bedtime as well. It's a really, really beautiful, sweet blend. I often use this as a perfume as well, but it's also fantastic, of course, if there's been any kind of grievance for that person or for that family, whether it's a death or whether it's grieving a change in circumstances. It can be a really useful one for children, perhaps if they're moving home or moving school. So yeah, these six blends are absolutely beautiful. They smell amazing. It comes with a diffuser as well, and the cost of that kit is £200. So there are different options. And lastly, if you don't want to buy a kit, if you're wanting to start a lot smaller, then an alternative option for you is just to open up your membership, which costs £24 plus £4 postage, and then choose individual blends or single oils or supplements that you'd like to get started with, and you can create your own bespoke package of essential oils that suit you. And I can help you with that. If you'd like to have a conversation with me, please just shoot me an email and we can create a date that we can talk, and I can help you understand what might be the best starting place for you. So I hope that helped. If you've got any further questions, feel free to let me know. Of course, you get my ongoing support when you buy your oils. The last thing that I want is for you to buy the oils and for them to sit in the cupboard. These are things that I am so passionate about, and I really want to help you to understand the value of these amazing little bottles of oil. And they can't produce their magic if they sit in a cupboard. So it's my passion, it's my responsibility to help you to understand how you can use your oils. So please know that you will not be alone on this journey. I'm here to guide you and help you and support you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Take care. Bye.